Can you believe it? Today is 2 months exactly since I took over Bent Plastics and started working here every day in our factory. It's quite amazing to think how much time has flown by, where I was in my last video update, and where we're going at the moment. The previous owners left a month ago, so we had a 4-week handover period. It was a full-on experience just trying to download 20 years of knowledge and get up to speed with running a business and managing staff, supply chains, pricing things, all the things that go with this sort of a business. During that time, I made my first hire, so I've got a new staff member here, and probably the most amazing thing to look back on at the 2-month mark is that we've delivered 500 orders. Some things are quite simple, a rectangle of acrylic for someone, custom made, but some of those 500 orders are thousands of parts for our business partners. So to deliver 500 things in just a 2-month period, that's a very fast pace. And I guess that's really one of the most interesting things working here now is that as a designer, if you're a designer yourself, how many products do you typically work on in a year? Looking back at my own experiences and having a chat with good old ChatGPT, the number seems to be somewhere around 5 to 20 products per year if you're a designer, product designer, industrial designer. Most days I've done that many designs and manufactured those products before lunchtime. So this is like, design on steroids. Nothing fancy, but every single one of those is a problem to solve for a customer with a unique situation, whether it's their pool, whether that's a kayak that needs repairs, whether they're one of our business partners who needs thousands of products and wants to know pricing for different quantities and best materials for that application. So design on steroids. Quite a few people have asked me about AI and my comments in my last video about AI taking over project and product manager roles and even design into the future. And it's quite interesting now to be working in this place where I have barely used AI at all. And in my previous roles, I was using it every day. So I can see why many of the younger generations are rethinking their career paths, looking at what roles AI can easily take over. And I really stand by the idea that project managing is something that AI can easily take over. You think of the software like Asana and Zoho and these sorts of things. It's very easy for an AI to delegate tasks and manage timelines and budgets and summarize all that information at the click of a button. So it's really nice to be out of that space, I can tell you, and be in a somewhat chaotic factory with different materials, different sizes all over the place, different machinery, different processes needing to be used to combine products and fabricate things. And I've heard a lot of podcasts talk about the trades being an industry that is not really under threat from AI. If anything, it's going to be a booming sort of industry because everyone is going to need more and more electricians, plumbers, qualified tradespeople. So being in a plastic manufacturing business really gives me some confidence for the future. And lastly, what's next? I really don't know. At this stage, my plan really is to see out the year by learning as much as I can, keeping all of our customers happy, and getting on top of every single product that we make for all of those customers. But I've already started introducing new software. We've got Fusion 360, so we can do 3D CNC machining. Previously, all we could do was basically cut 2D shapes using the very outdated software that our CNC machines have at the moment. But going into 2026, I'm really interested in some new R&D opportunities, looking around some of the waste that we have in this place, how we might be able to reuse that, recycle it, do something interesting with it. Maybe developing some in-house products. So at the moment, everything we make is for customers or for homeowners. Everything, we don't have our own product lines as such. So that's something we might explore into the new year. And then really just trying to build on our business partnerships. We've got some really great business partners, as I said at the beginning. We make thousands of products every single month, but it'd be great to sort of build collaborative relationships where we're developing products with those business partners and doing some more advanced R&D with them. So that's my plan. Hope this is interesting. Follow Bent Plastics. See ya.